Hello, my name's Ethan and this is my bike check. So I'm going to work my way through from the front to the back. So here's my bike. So on the front wheel we've got the Profile Minis, colour is aqua. They're spoke to a Primo 6 Series rim. Very smooth wheels, had them running for about 3 years now and not really had any problems with them or snap spokes, never really had them tightened and they're still running good. Going on to the tyre, we've got a Fit FAF, Fit FAF, whatever you want to call it. Sort of dirt tread, they're really smooth tyres, on name at 90 psi. And moving on to the forks, we've got the Fit Blade 2. Really light, as you can see the sign there, really light, quite very good forks. Moving up, we've got a Harrow stem, which isn't the best, it's just because I'm running it just now because my one was snapped. Running on exposure bars, which aren't really the best at the moment, but got money to get new ones, but I'm just trying to save up my money so I can get new ones, like all together, bar stem, you know. We're running the Vans Cult grips, worn down, had them for a little while now. Odyssey bar ends. Onto the frame, we've got the Fit Wi-Fi. Really good frame, size is a 21.25. It's really light, really like running this. Not good if you want like gyro or that because it doesn't have any tabs. Just like the front sticker. So that's a really good frame. Running down onto the cranks. So we've got Odyssey Thunderbolts. As you can see there, they're hollow spindle. Really light, really good crank, had them for a while now as well. We've got the Primo pedals, I don't know what they're called, Primo beer can pedals, I'm not sure. Onto that we've got the Premium sprocket, which is really good, really light. We've just got a blank chain running on there just now. Really good, really strong, not had any problems with it, so it's running all good. And the seat, we've got the Federal, sort of blue Federal seat, really good seat, really like it. We've got the Federal seat post, we've got a slam sleeper, I can't see that, we've got that there. Yeah, that is really good. Running onto the back wheel now, we've got the Profile Mini cassette hub. It's really good, I've not really had any problems with that. Running onto the same Primo 6 Series, as you can see the stickers came off there a little bit. But hopefully for Christmas we're going to get a new set of wheels. But they run really smooth, they're hooked onto a Fit FAF tyre on the back, FAF, whatever you want to call it. That's a 22. They're really good. Probably need to get a new back tyre soon, as you can see it's sort of like wearing away. But yeah, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching, please remember to like this video and subscribe. There'll be more videos on the way.